Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. The quarterly season is underway and our companies are busy reporting good figures. Karora Resources reported its 7th consecutive year of production growth and achieved record production of 160,492 ounces gold in 2023, exceeding the 2022 production by over 26,000 ounces and exceeding its own targets. Gold production in the fourth quarter was very high at 40,295 ounces and represented the second highest quarterly result in the company's history. Due to the timing of sales, gold sales in the fourth quarter were 2,856 ounces lower than production, which contributed to a slight quarter-on-quarter decrease in their cash balance, which will be offset by sales in the first quarter this year. The cash balance remains solid at $82.5 million and is in line with planned capital investment in the operations. Following significant investment in 2023, the 2024 capital program will focus on infrastructure and development of the mining areas required to ramp up Beta Hunt's operations to 2 million tons per annum by the end of the year already. Very nice. On the one hand, this indicates higher production for 2025 with falling capital expenditures. Great. It helps the margin. Karora Resources also announced the signing of a long-term power purchase agreement, a PPA, which is a crucial first step towards achieving the original target of reducing greenhouse gas emissions in Scope 1 and 2 by 20% by 2030, compared to the business-as-usual standard forecast for 2024. The agreement is an integral part of Karora's ESG strategy. The new power agreement is an exciting step for Karora as the PPA will replace the current 7 MW of on-site diesel power generation as the primary source of power for Higginsville. Once fully implemented in 2025, the new PPA is expected to significantly reduce Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions by 11 to 13% by 2030. The expected reduction in carbon emissions corresponds to around 40% of the original target to reducing Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 20% by 2030, bringing the targets within reach. The use of additional renewable energy in fuel switching, including the potential for increased use of biodiesel, is also being explored. Karora Resources is cheap and has enormous potential. We see an initial target price of around 10.5 Canadian dollars. Victoria Gold, another successful gold producer, has presented its production figures. Almost 42,000 ounces of gold were produced in Q4 2023, and the Eagle Gold Mine produced 166,730 ounces gold in 2023 as a whole. This means that the production forecast for last year of 160,000 to 180,000 ounces of gold has been achieved, which represents a record level for Eagle and an increase of 11% compared to the previous year. Successfully demonstrated the feasibility of the year-round stacking at the heap leach facility in 2023 resulted in more consistent quarterly gold production and mitigating the effects of seasonality. The intention is to continue year-round stacking in 2024 and to further increase production. Positive free cash flow was generated in Q4 and importantly net debt was further reduced, including a 11 million Canadian dollar payment on the loan facility, which is expected to be fully repaid in Q3 this year already. Very good. H.C. Wainwright is very positive about the company and has issued a buy recommendation with a target price of 24 Canadian dollars, which we fully support. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to a like and, more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channels. Thanks for that. Please note the disclaimer shown now. The shares discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificates and I'm a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.